Hello students. Very important problem in calculus is computing the area under a curve of a function. So let's give you an example of that. Here we're going to take this function, f of x equals 4 over x, and we're going to estimate the area under the curve using 4 rectangles over the interval from 1 to 5, and we'll be doing it using right endpoints. So these, by right endpoints, we mean these points here, because you can see that that will then give us the height of each of these rectangles. That'll give us the height, that'll give us the height, and that will give us the height there. So the width is of each of these rectangles is simply 1. So if we want to calculate the area of this rectangle, we multiply the width times the height, which is f of 2. Here I'm using the right endpoint here. Calculate that area. Then I'm going to add the area of this rectangle here, and its width is 1, and we'll plug in 3. And we work our way down the line here. And oops, I'm going to start to run out of room. F of 5. Alright, so now, since 1 doesn't impact the multiplication, it just gives us f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, f of 5, I'm just going to write this simply as 4 over 2, because now I'm plugging the 2 into the function 4 over x, and that will give me this height of this rectangle here. Plus f of 3, that gives me the height of the rectangle here. F of 4 gives me the height of this rectangle here. And f of 5 gives me the height of this rectangle here. Because I was multiplying each of these quantities by 1, 1 times 4 over 2 is simply 4 over 2. So I was just saving myself some time there. Okay, now it's just this value, this 4 over 2 is the area of this rectangle, 4 over 3 is the area of this rectangle, 4 over 4 is the area of this rectangle, and 4 over 5 is the area of this rectangle. So let's just add all these together and we will solve our problem. So that's 2 plus 4 thirds, which is 1 1/3 plus 1 plus 4 fifths. So now we just simplify this. We have 3, so we have 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 1/3 is 4 1/3 plus 4 fifths. Okay, and we just keep going. So we have 13 over 3, 4 1/3 is 13 over 3, plus 4 fifths. And if you work out the fraction arithmetic here, 15 is your least common denominator. So we have 65 plus 12 is equal to 77 over 15. And that is the area, the approximate area under the curve of this function. All right. In the next video, or in another video, we will do this using left endpoints. Here we're using right endpoints.